All right, good day, guys. My name is Davis. Welcome to Plutomania Tech. If this is your first time here, please like and subscribe. I drop videos like this every single day, every single week. So you want to be in touch and you want to be in tune of everything that is happening. All right, today this video is about how to track any Android device. If your Android device ever got lost or stolen, you can track it if only you know the email address. So let's go straight into it. Now, this is something people have been using to make a lot of money. Most people just lose their phone and they come to someone else and we're like, I'll pay you so amount, just track my phone for me, please. And they get paid for those doing something very simple. So let's get straight into this. If you want to do this, this is just the part 1 of it. The part 2 video will be releasing soon. So what you just need to do is just go to Play Store and you have to look for a device, an app called Google Find My Device. Yeah. So it's already installed on my phone. Once you get this app, just click on install. Then once you install the app, just click on open. All right. Okay. Now, once you click on open, this is what it's going to show you. What you just need to do is just sign in as a guest. Click on sign in as a guest and put in the email address of the phone that was stolen or is lost. So the phone I'm going to use is my second phone. So let me just do this. This is the email address. Let me put in the password real quick. So let me pause this. All right, I just put in the password. I click next. Okay, they'll text me a verification code. So let me just click on text. Enter the code. Let me see that code well. 396366, right? Hope you got it. All right, now they'll text you a code. Once you get that code, now it will give you access to be able to track this device. Now you see it's tracking my second phone already, contacting device, and there are 3 options you see here: play sound, secure device, and erase device. Let me teach you guys about this real quick. Now let's say your phone is lost and the location of your phone isn't on, so it can't track your phone down. What you just need to do is just click on secure device. And your phone wasn't stolen, so it wasn't taken by armed robbers. So what you just need to do, just type a log screen message. You just simply like, sorry about that. I'm the owner of this phone. Sorry. Please call the number below. And just put in your number. That's all. So if your phone is lost, you can just send this message. So anyone that sees the phone be like, oh, the owner of the phone. And the phone will actually be locked. Once I click on secure my device, it will lock my other phone immediately. And the only thing I'll be seeing is this message with my number. And it's only me that can open it, like the owner of the phone. It's only you that can open it back. They just ask you for your email address, some password, and some questions. And guys, if not, the phone won't be open anymore. That is just the first thing you can do to secure your device. The second thing you can do is to erase your device. Let's say your phone was stolen and the location was off, and you couldn't reach the phone at all. What you just need to do is just click on erase device. Let's say you're just like, okay, they stole the phone, all right, let me just erase everything so they don't have contact to my have access to my documents, my pictures and things like that, to use to do runs or something, or my bank details are in my phone. Oh my god, you can just click on erase my device. Once I click on erase my device, every single thing on my second phone will be wiped out immediately. Now you see,